Makulimlim na araw. It's been pouring since last night until now. It's still raining. It's cool, hindi mainit. Kasi pag araw, super init. But now it's raining, it's so cool. Ganda ng palayan. Oh, mais yan, mais. Yung medyo malayo doon palay. Saka doon, yung isa yung white dyan. It's sesame seeds. So, patola. Normal patola. Akyat ng puro ng mangga. Yan. Sa kabila naman. Dyan. Yung talong laki. Yung bushy talong. Yung bahay ng kambing. Wala ng kambing. Naubos yung kambing. Tatlong kambing. Oh. Basa. Madi. Narabad siya lang dyan. This is very slime. Hindi makita yung kabilang bundok. Ako yun is foggy. So, yung fog pala, in the morning, gagaling sa river, it's under. Kasi yung mga river dito, diba mataas yung bundok. So, most of the people live on top of the mountain. Tsaka yung river na sa baba. Kaya every time in the morning, early in the morning, you could see thick fog. Yung fog na yun is like evaporation from the river going up. So, if you were going to look down, it's so cloudy. Wala kang makikita sa baba. It is because of that fog or steam. Parang evaporation coming from the river itself. So, ngayon, yan ang nangyayari ngayon. You could see that foggy siya. So, basically, those fogs are coming from the river, especially that side. Last time nag-swimming kami sa baba. Sa baba ng bundok, we went down. Yeah, most of the people here in Nepal, because mountainous area, maximum of the land area is mountain. So, it's so high, so they cannot live under or yung sa paanan ng bundok. So, they live on top of the mountain. Kagaya nito, we're in the top of the mountain, pero flat area siya. Maybe parang siguro tinabas yung area na to, tinanggal yung lupa. And then, they couldn't, historically, they couldn't bring materials up kasi ngayong daan, dati, it's muddy, stone or muddy and narrow. So, they couldn't bring any vehicles. So, basically, this house, if you could see that house, kitchen house, that is built with yung rooftop stone yan. That is our stone from the mountain. Stone yan, pero flat siya, no? Saka, yung wall yan is made of pure mud, saka wood. Pero medyo makapal paggawa para hindi siya mag-giba. So, matagal na yung kitchen na yan. It's made of pure mud yan, saka wood lang. Saka yung sa taas, yung ngayong stone. And down is mud. Yung ibang bahay, nagsimento na sila, pero dito hindi pa. Kaya, so chilly day. Chilly day. Nice view. Oh, saan ka ba makakita ng area na doon na maraming trees and mountains? You could just enjoy the view here. Diba? Natural view. Nandiyan pa rin yung mga nature. Well preserved. Especially nowadays, not so many people living in this area. Before, nung madami pang mga tao dito, yung mga trees na yan, kalbo, hindi naman nila pinuputulin the whole tree kasi bawal. So, they just cut off the branches and the leaves for food ng mga kambing, ng buffaloes and cows. But nowadays, wala na masyadong tao. Even that trees also, kinukuha nila pangpakain ng mga kwan, ng mga animals. But nowadays nga, dahil na so many people, so medyo madaming kahoy, madaming mandawag dito, Wala, kumukulog. Dan tulo pani po na ako nalaiki, oh. Buli sama ba niya rasa? Wala daming mga trees. Dati yung nakyat pa nila yung puno na yan, oh. Para lang kumuha ng branches and leaves niya. Papampakain ng buffaloes. It's so chilly. The chickens are batting, having shower under the rain. Look at those chicken, hen, and rooster. Chicken daw. OMG! Rainy season. Basically, it doesn't rain every day. Say it's so hot, but this time, it's so raining. Laging umuulan. Basically, usually, this is the first time I experienced the shade. It's pouring. It's raining. Basically, it's not. It's warm and cool. Medyo malamig ng konti before. Maybe because of climate change. Kaya medyo delay yung medyo malamig na season. But before, it's like you were used to medyo malamig na. Mahangin, chilling, we're wearing sweaters or long sleeve. But now, it's so hot. And if not so hot, it's raining. The changes of climate. Even though the trees are preserved, but now, the cities, so affected pa rin ang buong bansa and the whole world. Because we're living under one world, under one sky. So every country is affected. Every countries and human beings are affected with this climate change. Because we're living in one roof, one sky, one universe, one galaxy. So no wonder everyone is being affected. So if the other countries are having rainy season, so as in the villages, in the cities, as in the villages, in other countries too. So there's also fire going on in Kathmandu, as well as in the Philippines and other countries. I have seen in social media as well as something is big things is happening in the world right now, and that we really have to think about it. We really have to pray more and repent, maybe in every houses, in our life, in ourselves. Pray ourselves or as a family, or group of people at home or anywhere you are. Everyone really have to go back to the original faith, belief to God. Belief to God. Yeah. Nahihina naman ako. Ano ba yan? See you guys. Bye-bye.